Learning how to make a homemade compost catalyst enables you to make your pile efficiently available, saving you valuable time. Compost comes from decomposing leaves, papers, eggshells, coffee grounds, and soil. It is rich in nitrogen and carbon, which are beneficial to the soil. A new compost usually takes between 1 to 2 months to fully mature. New compost can benefit from a homemade compost catalyst to help speed up the process. By combining a few basic ingredients found at home, your compost pile will be cooking up the nutrients within no time. How to make homemade compost catalyst. By learning how to speed up composting and the key factors involved, you can make your own compost within a shorter period of time. A compost pile must be at least 4 by 4 by 4 to generate and keep sufficient heat. 2 large piles will be too big to compress, which limits the oxygen flow. Things you will need: 6 ounces of beer, 12 ounces of soda, a half cup of ammonia, 2 gallons of warm water, 5-gallon bucket, shovel for mixing, garden sprayer. The step-by-step method. Place the 5-gallon bucket on sturdy ground. Choose a bucket that has not had any chemicals or any harmful contents. Clean it well before use. Pour 6 ounces of beer into the bucket. Don't drink any. Beer contains yeast that helps speed up the decomposition process in the compost. You can replace the beer by adding active dry yeast. Add a half cup of ammonia to the beer and watch the reaction. Ammonia provides a critical shot of nitrogen. It also helps speed up the breakdown of the compost material. Pour 2 gallons of warm water into the mixture and mix together. Add the 12 ounces of regular soda to the mixture. Soda contains extra sugars that help microbes to feed during the decomposition process. Pour the mixture into a garden sprayer. Spray this mixture into the compost pile. Using your shovel, mix the pile well to make sure the homemade compost catalyst gets to all corners. When the heat reaches the first peak temperature, it will kill the yeast, so apply the mix once again to your compost. Pros and cons of using homemade compost catalyst. Not everyone finds the need to make compost in 14 days. To some, it may seem too much work, but to others, it's interesting to make their compost process work faster by using a compost accelerator. Let's look at the advantages and disadvantages of accelerated decomposing. Advantages. You get ready compost in a few weeks, unlike the long process of allowing the pile to compose naturally. You get higher nutrient content due to less leaching in nutrients. The shorter the decomposing period, the more nutrients you preserve. You get fewer potential weeds and weed seeds, the quickened process that does not allow weeds to form. Disadvantages. You will use more effort. Unlike allowing nature to take its course, you will need to put in the effort to mix the compost. You will need more materials. You will need to invest in a little more than just the compost pile. Conclusion. Life is a journey. And sometimes it takes twists and turns that we never expected. Sometimes it may end up taking us where we did not want to go. If you had the key to drive your own life the way you want, would you take it? Same here, you have the chance to cook up your compost pile within the shortest time possible and still get amazing results. Why not use it? If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.